So today we're going to be starting a new project. This is going to be really cool, and I think we can get a lot of work done in here. This is our living room, our soon-to-be living room, and you can see it's unfinished. I got some drywall I got to put up, and then we got to finish all the compounding on the seams. A lot of work to do in here. We haven't touched this room in a long time, and we finally cleaned it out and got it ready to go. This is the last really unfinished room in the house. Aside from obviously the kitchen, which we're working on, but this one is the one that needs the most work. Now the reason I haven't put this drywall up yet is because right here in the wall is where I have a box framed for a chimney wall thimble. This is where a wood stove chimney would go out through the wall. The wall thimble is basically a metal sleeve that goes in the wall to protect everything from the chimney, so the chimney can pass through it. And this was framed out for the DIYfferent brand, and I think I'm going to switch to the Selkirk brand. There's a couple of major chimney companies in the United States. One is Selkirk and one is DIYfferent. I think we're going to go ahead and plan for the Selkirk, which requires a smaller opening. It's actually 12 1/8 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and reframe this opening for the smaller size, and then I think we can get this drywall up. I don't want to overcut my plastic because we want to keep a good air seal and vapor barrier. So let me just mark out where I want it cut. So luckily for me, I pocket holed these boards in. I put pocket hole screws going like that. So it's going to be easy to move this down. I want to get this down out of the way so I can get insulation above it. There we go. Now I'm trying to work with materials I have on hand because I can't go out to the store right now. So because I didn't have any 2x6s, I went ahead and made my own out of a 2x4 and another one that I ripped down. So now I'm just going to see how this is all going to look. And I made these little spacers to put back here just to keep it where I want it. Okay, I stuffed insulation in that crack. I think we're done. Ran out of staples. Now I just got to cover that little staple hole, and I think we're ready to put the drywall up. Not sponsored. So this was supposed to be 12 1/8. I'm a little tight here. It's 12, but it's 12 1/8 this way. It's going to be perfect. Happy with how that came out. This seam was a little tough to screw up to the wall because their gap was a little wide here, and you don't have much screwing room on those studs. So I really did my best to just get that secure. I think it'll be fine. So now we're ready to start compounding. Got a full bucket of drywall compound, aka mud, and I'm going to be hopefully getting a lot of these seams done today. I'm excited to get this project rolling. Hate working in a long sleeve shirt. Ugh. So Ashley is on screw cover-up duty.
Yep.
And the room's coming together.
And I did my first thing over there.
This is Ashley's first drywall seam ever.
Can you believe in all the years that we've done drywall, I've never compounded a seam?
Yep. That was the first time. Getting practice. Looks good. We're almost done with the house, and we thought this was a good time to get some practice in before it's too late. So there it is, guys. We did the drywall today. I didn't really film a lot of it because I know it's not very fun, but we did make a lot of progress. Got all the wall seams taped, got some of the ceiling seams started, got all the screws covered. It's amazing how quick these projects can start rolling when you start working on them. This wall, we're not hiding it. This wall is kind of like where we have everything piled. This is actually the bathroom window, extra Ditra for the front area. You know, a lot of stuff here that we're piling out of the way because you can see this wall is open. We left that wall open because we're going to be doing something else on that wall. It's going to be wood. I don't think it's a secret or mystery. We're going to be doing a wood accent wall there. Some people drywall and then do the wood, but we decided to just do the wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have the wood, so we're waiting on that, but at least we can get the drywall done. I would say a couple more days of this, we'll be done in here and we can start papering.
Mm-hmm.
But now, some of you guys might be wondering, if you're working on this room, where's your kitchen? Because you might remember that we had our temporary kitchen in here set up. We cleared it out, we put it in the real kitchen, and we thought we'd give you guys a little tour of the new kitchen set up in the kitchen. I'm going to try to capture this the best I can. You can see our rolling table that we love in the center of the room. This is where I can kind of prepare food, dish it up, plates, all that kind of stuff. Back here, got another cart set up with our cooktop. This is where we obviously cook our food on this little cooktop. And our toaster, which we use every day. Love that toaster. And that's it. Recyclables, garbage, recyclables. Pretty basic. It gets the job done. At this angle, I'm trying to be careful because we're hiding stuff from you. We got our water filter. A lot of you guys think that's a coffee pot. It's not. We don't even drink coffee. That's just water. It's our Berkey water filter system. And you just put water in the top and it filters it down. Makes it nice and clean and drinkable. That was a gift to us a couple years back. And we really love it. Use it every day. Obviously, we drink. And this direction, you guys might remember this direction, our oven and our pantry. And you can see right here, our refrigerator. So that's where we put the fridge. And believe it or not, that's where the fridge is going to stay. Some of you guys have asked us repeatedly, why don't you turn the oven to face the kitchen? Because it would be behind the refrigerator and that would be awkward. So the oven faces this way, the fridge faces this way, and I know some of you guys are going to hate this even more than you hated the oven because you're going to say, why aren't they facing the same direction? But it really makes sense. Again, you're going to have to wait until the kitchen is all together, and we'll try to do like a layout video tour, talk about why we decided it this way. But yeah, the fridge fits there and looks good, and we really enjoy the fridge facing the room. And the oven, we've been using the oven quite a bit, and it's been working awesome in that area. We really like it so far. I actually designed this space also. a little wider because I wanted to make sure there was room for growth. If we wanted a 30 or 32-inch fridge, it could still fit here. We got a lot of room to build out without it sticking out too far. So that was kind of in the plan. That's actually one of the reasons that we built that cabinet out. We put that built-in nook in the hallway. We're gonna build a built-in bookshelf back there because we wanted this wall to be extended so that we had room for the fridge to be turned sideways there. So there's our new kitchen tour. It's actually been really awesome cooking in here because it's bright, it's clean. I'm not
floor
on a plywood floor, and it's kind of gross. And if you drop food, it's like in the wood. Yuck. So this is just nice and proper lighting, proper outlets. Everything's really nice. So we're enjoying this. We're eating. You might notice no table. We just eat in the bedroom. We just kind of hang out, have a...
on our couch.
Yeah. Someday we will have a table in here. Right here. Kind of where this is. Underneath this light. And it's going to be an eat-in kitchen because we have a small house. You got to make that. That's usually pretty common in these size houses. We're looking forward to getting that all together. Which should be soon. Should be soon. We might actually be able to get this kitchen worked on a little sooner than we expected. We'll have some news coming soon about that. But I think that's all we have for now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, take care.
Bye.